The DJI Neo 2 is one of the most anticipated drones of 2025, following the impressive success of its predecessor, the DJI Neo. As we approach the potential launch of this next-generation drone, there is growing excitement in the drone community. Many wonder whether it will be worth investing in the current DJI Neo or waiting for the upcoming Neo 2. With leaks, rumors, and insider information beginning to surface, we've compiled everything we know about the DJI Neo 2, including speculations about its features, performance, pricing, and release date. What is the DJI Neo 2? The DJI Neo 2 is expected to be the successor to the highly popular DJI Neo, a compact drone that struck a balance between portability and high-end performance. As DJI continues to innovate, the Neo 2 aims to build upon the success of its predecessor by offering enhanced features, improved camera capabilities, longer flight times, and cutting-edge technology that pushes the limits of what a compact drone can achieve. In this article, we will break down everything you need to know about the DJI Neo 2, exploring its rumored specs, new capabilities, and the potential advantages it will bring to both hobbyists and professional drone enthusiasts. The origins of the DJI Neo 2 hype. The buzz surrounding the DJI Neo 2 started with leaks from reputable drone insiders, particularly Jasper Ellens, also known as X27. Jasper has a proven track record of accurately predicting DJI product launches, including leaks related to the DJI Air 3S, DJI Neo, and DJI Goggles N3. His recent prediction regarding the DJI Neo 2 was particularly exciting, suggesting that the Neo 2 is expected to launch in late 2025. But it wasn't just Jasper's leaks that got the drone community talking. The DJI Flip, another innovative product from DJI, has been fueling speculation. Some believe the DJI Flip's features could be a preview of the cutting-edge technology that will define the DJI Neo 2. The DJI Flip has already created a stir with its unique design and advanced capabilities, and it's clear that DJI is preparing to make a big impact on the drone industry in the coming years. DJI Neo versus DJI Neo 2. What's the difference? Before diving into the specifics of the DJI Neo 2, let's briefly revisit the DJI Neo and see how the two compare. The original DJI Neo was designed for enthusiasts and professionals who needed a compact drone that delivered strong performance and portability without sacrificing camera quality. Key features of the DJI Neo. 4K video at 30 FPS. The Neo's 4K video capabilities offered stunning clarity and detail. 18-minute flight time. While impressive for its size, the Neo's flight time was somewhat limited compared to higher-end models. Lightweight and compact design. Weighing just under 500 grams, the Neo was perfect for on-the-go drone pilots. Basic AI tracking. The DJI Neo featured AI-assisted tracking, though it was more limited compared to other high-end drones in the DJI lineup. While the DJI Neo impressed users with its portability and smooth stabilization, it had its limitations, particularly when it came to its camera capabilities and flight time. Let's now explore the rumored features of the DJI Neo 2, which could address these shortcomings. DJI Neo 2, expected features and improvements. 1. Enhanced camera capabilities. One of the most significant upgrades expected in the DJI Neo 2 is its camera system. The current DJI Neo already offers solid 4K video capabilities, but DJI Neo 2 is rumored to take things a step further with a larger sensor, potentially a 1-inch sensor, which would significantly improve low-light performance. This would be a game-changer for nighttime drone videography, providing sharper details even in challenging lighting conditions. In addition to the improved sensor, the DJI Neo 2 is expected to support 4K video at 60 FPS, or even 5K video recording. These upgrades would provide cinematic video quality, allowing users to capture stunning footage with ultra-high-definition clarity. For content creators, filmmakers, and videographers, these features would elevate the Neo 2 to a professional-grade drone. 2. Extended flight time. One of the most common complaints about the original DJI Neo was its relatively short 18-minute flight time. While this is decent for casual drone users, professional content creators often need more time to capture cinematic shots without needing to stop and recharge. DJI Neo 2 is expected to address this limitation by featuring a more efficient battery system that could extend the flight time to 25 minutes or more. This improvement would make the Neo 2 a much more practical option for long video shoots and other professional applications. While the original DJI Neo offered basic obstacle avoidance, it lacked omnidirectional sensors, making it less ideal for navigating through tight spaces or around complex environments. This upgrade would make the Neo 2 not only safer to fly, but also easier to use for beginners and professionals alike. With omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, users can confidently navigate through challenging environments, ensuring smoother flight experiences and reducing the risk of collisions. AI-powered features have become a key selling point for DJI drones, and the DJI Neo 2 is expected to enhance these features even further. The Neo 2 is rumored to include upgraded AI subject tracking that will allow for more precise and intelligent tracking of moving subjects. Neo may second introduce new smart flight modes, including more sophisticated active tracking and cinematic flight modes, which would enable users to effortlessly capture professional-looking shots with minimal effort. These new features would make it easier for users to achieve complex shots without requiring expert drone piloting skills. The DJI Neo 2 will also likely see improvements in its connectivity and control options. Improved transmission technology is expected to enhance the range and signal stability, ensuring reliable communication between the drone and remote controller. Additionally, the Neo may second support new remote controllers, such as the RC Motion 3 or a newly designed lightweight RC controller for improved ergonomics and user experience. Another important upgrade in the DJI Neo 2 could be an increase in internal storage capacity. The original Neo comes with 22 gigabytes of internal storage, which can quickly become limiting for users who capture large amounts of footage. The DJI Neo May 2nd includes significantly more storage, perhaps 64 gigabytes or even 128 gigabytes, which would allow users to store more footage directly on the drone without needing to rely on external SD cards for shorter flights. Better camera. The DJI Neo 2 is expected to feature a larger sensor and support for 5K video, which would provide a much better camera experience for content creators and professionals. Advanced safety features. With omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and more advanced AI tracking, the Neo 2 will be safer and easier to fly, even in complex environments. While DJI has yet to confirm the exact release date of the DJI Neo 2, leaks suggest that it will likely debut in late 2025. As for the price, we can expect it to be slightly higher than the DJI Neo, with a launch price likely to range from $500 to $700. Conclusion: the DJI Neo 2, a new era of compact drones. The DJI Neo 2 represents the future of compact drones, combining innovative features, advanced camera capabilities, and improved performance.